Step-by-step 110 cash price. 38,800 pesos down payment. 0 pesos description. Features USB port available colors black glossy, red glossy, blue glossy, pink glossy, engine type 4-stroke. Single cylinder bore and stroke 52.5 by 49.5 mm displacement 107 cc compression ratio 9.7. 1 fuel system carburetor cooling system air-cooled transmission 4-speed dimensions and capacity LXWXH 1900X 670X 100 ground clearance 140 m fuel capacity 5L dry weight 108 kg frame type UNDERBONE front suspension telescopic fork rear suspension telescopic coil spring oil damped front wheel 2.50-17 rear wheel 2.7517 front brakes disc brake rear brakes drum brake performance max output 4.8 kilowatts 8,000 rpm max torque 6.8 Nm 6,000 rpm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.